Hello, my name is Martin and Lola, and I'm working as a senior researcher at NTNU.
Hello, my name is Lola Rousseau, and I'm a postdoc in the project, also working at NTNU.
And together we're both representing Work Package 4.
We want to develop indicators for quantifying marine, freshwater, and terrestrial biodiversity loss in the framework of LCA, so for life cycle assessment, and we want to apply to food production.
And our aim is to update existing indicators, but also develop new indicators. And to do so, we include also really up-to-date remote sensing data for Europe with high spatial resolution. And we would also like to propose new ways on how to compare marine, freshwater, and terrestrial indicators. Oh, wow. That's a big question. I would say that there are several ways. So, in other words, you would like to know what's currently the best option for LCA in food production. Well, if we would know that already, then I would say we don't need Work Package 4 anymore. So, generally speaking, we would need models with a global coverage that can quantify the impact of a certain anthropogenic emission with a biodiversity indicator, really quantifying what's the impact per unit of this anthropogenic stressor. And then the task in this work package is really to develop these indicators for these several impact categories. For example, we could talk about climate change, water use, land use, but we also have to look at the marine part like overfishing and marine plastic pollution.
And in addition, the models they have to be able to quantify that the impact of food production on biodiversity can vary highly between regions. And this is due to differences in species richness, species sensitivities, and habitat heterogeneity.
In really short, I would say to avoid problem shifting.
Yes, indeed. As we are running out of resource on land, terrestrial land, with the tendency to shift the production into the ocean or increase the resource use with, for example, fishing. And if we don't have models that highlight the impact in the ocean, then these impacts they will be just quantified as zero impact, and we will simply shift the land problem into the ocean. So we need both oceans and forests, both environments, to find farming solutions with minimized impacts overall, because neither land, forest, or the ocean alone will be able to provide the green food system for the increasing population.
So the task now is to find the food production system which has the lowest impact, lowest biodiversity impact for each environment in each of the locations. And then life cycle assessment is a very useful tool to answer this question. And with the models that we develop in Work Package 4, we will help to ensure that all these relevant impacts can be assessed in LCA and are included in the assessments.